Now, like, I grew kind of tired hearing people saying that the lightest part of the object is the part where light hits the most. Not that it's not true, of course it's true, but at this point, it's like telling a swimmer that they can swim in water. And I don't know how to swim. It leads to more questions, okay? I began to realize that there's another question we need to be asking after that. How do we know if a spot is getting more light? Now, I know. Well, some things. Sup, it's me Carter, your favorite wannabe art nerd, and today, I'm gonna be showing you some principles to implement when you're shading. Now let's talk about angles. So apparently our eyes are super cool. I may not know how to effectively use them to see my self-worth, but what I know is that when you see a surface facing directly to a light source, your eyes register it as lighter, and the more this surface tilts away, your eyes begin to see it as darker. Pause this video and try this with a piece of paper right now, and make that paper face the light, and then slowly tilt it away and see how it changes. Try it out. So, from this, we can say that a surface gets brighter as it faces towards the light, and it gets darker from tilting away. I mean, yeah, I'm just repeating everything. So if you're drawing a slope, it's gonna register a different value than the flat surface facing upwards, because they're at different angles. This also applies to why curved surfaces have gradients. Now let's talk about distance. Now, of course, if something's farther from a light source, it's gonna get less light. I mean, that's obvious. I know that's obvious, but there is a not so obvious implication. That light won't be evenly and flatly expressed onto a flat surface. Depending on the intensity and concentration of the light, then you're gonna get very different effects. And that's why this is more like a suggestion for an art style. The level at which you choose to express the way that this light works can be exaggerated, so you make a gradient on the walls in your background or on flat surfaces. So this is a fun way to stylize how you shade surfaces. This isn't about the angle, but this is more about the distance and of a surface that's just flatly facing a light source. Now, let's talk about bounce. Now, I like calling it bounce, but it's actually got other names like reflected light or ambient light, and the lack of this being the ambient occlusion, which in this case is a result of it, and you guys should really be searching videos about that. You see, your surroundings affect the object because they're in the same space. So if your surroundings are getting hit by lights, that light's gonna be jumping to your object too. So you can place a teeny tiny soft light onto that shade. Oh, so cute. Look at that little guy. Little things. Yeah, just little things, that they make a big difference. Now, click that subscribe button and give me a like or share this video to someone who makes art so that I can share more of the art stuff I learn. And yeah, I mean, I just need more attention because, like, I'm cool, but it doesn't look like that because I only got, what, 24 subscribers as of this recording, or I think more. So yeah, what you waiting for? Oh what?